Do you know why your Android TV is slow? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the reasons that Android TV might be slow and exactly how you can go ahead to fix it. So make sure to watch the video right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 GB space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. As an Android TV user, it sucks when you're opening apps or you're trying to do something on your Android TV and it's taking a lot of time to load. Most of the reasons are the Android TV is being overcharged, or there are lots of applications that are running in background that are slowing your Android TV from functioning well or performing well. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix that. But first of all, how do you know the applications that are running in your background, and how do you know that you can shut them off to make sure to boost the productivity or the performance of your Android TV? In this video, that's what we are looking at. So the first thing you have to do is to know the applications that are running in your background. So right now on my Android TV, I have an application that is going to show you this, and I'm going to be showing you everything about this application. Do not worry, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to install this particular application to your Android TV without any issues. But for now, here's the application, and this is how it looks like when you launch it. Now on my screen, you can see the application is telling me that there are currently 19 applications that are running in background on my Android TV. So if my Android TV is slow, it is because of these particular applications, and if I close them, this is going to boost the performance of my Android TV. So all of these applications are running or are currently running in the background of my Android TV, and for me to boost the performance of my Android TV, I have to close these applications. Once you launch your Android TV, you're going to see something similar. If you have 50 applications that are running in the background, it is going to show you that 50 applications are running in the background of your Android TV. And for the performance to be okay, you have to close most of these applications. So now the question is, how do you close an application in this app? It's just simple. All you have to do is to hover to the particular application you want to close. Like for instance, I can come over to an application like this. So I want to close it. I'm just going to click on the application. If I want to choose a good application to close, if I close an application like this one, it's going to bring me this pop-up here, and what I'll have to do, I'll just click on force stop, and then the application will be closed. And right now the application is no longer running in my background, and that's how to close applications in this. Do not worry, force stopping an application doesn't mean you're uninstalling the application. It is still available on your Android TV. Now I love this app because instead of closing the application just one at a time, you can close multiple applications at the same time if you come over to these settings here. So as you choose this setting, you can select the number of applications that you want to close, and then just do the same thing and go ahead and close by just clicking on the application, and the pop-up is going to come up, and then you close the application that you want all together. And this is how you force stop applications and close them from running in the background so that you can boost the performance of your Android TV. Now another function of this application is that you can choose to close all applications at the same time, which is just simple. And once you come to these Android TV applications, you're going to see everything here as I have showed you. But if you come back to the application, now I just wanted to tell you that if you close an application, it is still available here. Yeah, for stopping an application, you are not installing it. So do not be scared that once you force stop an application, you've uninstalled the application from your Android TV. No, the application is still available. So if you come back to the application here, as I was saying, you can choose to close all applications by just coming over to the menu at the top here. There's an option that says close all apps. Here is it. So you click on that, it's going to close all the applications that are running in your background on your Android TV, so that it can boost the performance of your Android TV. And this is how good this application is. It helps you so much to increase the performance of your Android TV, so you can use the application to boost performance on your Android TV. Now there's something also I want to show you on this application, because it has other menu settings. So you come over to the menu here and you scroll through the menu, you see an option that says intro. Let me just go there, give me a moment. If you go over to the option that says intro here, and you are going to see everything that is about this application. Now this is how the application looks like when you open it for your first time. You can go ahead and read through all the instructions that you see here. Please, it is good, but there's an option that says boot on menu. This option of boot on menu just means that if you want the application to boot when you launch or open your Android TV, they can select that. That means that once you turn on your Android TV, the application is going to open automatically. But I don't personally like that option because I want to open the application manually. So this is how the application is. It is very simple to use. Now let's go ahead to show you how to install this application to your Android TV. The first thing you need is the downloader application on your Android TV. Remember, downloader is one of the best apps you need on your Android TV. So right now, I already have downloader, but you are assuming that you don't have downloader on your Android TV. Let me just quickly show you what you can do to install downloader to your Android TV. It is simple. Just go over to your Google Play Store and then you search for the application downloader. Just type in downloader. But for me, I already have it in my search. I can just go over here and click on it. Here is it suggested here, so I'm not going to type in the whole application, but in your case, please type in the whole application. Now, once you type in that, Google is going to show us the web page of downloader where we can install it from the web version of Google Play Store. Remember, I don't have Google Play Store on my Android TV, so that's why I'm using this method. So as I come here, this is downloader, and I can just go ahead and install to my Android TV. Now, if it's your first time, your Android TV is going to ask you to log into your Google, which is quite simple. Just put in your Gmail and then you logged in. Once that's done, please just go ahead and launch downloader. So once you launch downloader, here's how it looks like. Sorry, I was using downloader. So let me just wipe this out and then type in the code that is necessary for us to work with. So once you come out of the downloader, what you have to do is just go ahead and type in this code. Just come ahead and type this code I'm about to type here. It is a quite simple code, which is 219008000, and this is the code to install this application. So just go ahead and launch it, and the code is going to start downloading the particular application that we need. So the application is called background apps and processes, or APKs. So here's a link to install the application, and this is a website created by one of my fellow YouTube creators, so you can check them out on YouTube. So just go over here and click on download here, and the application is going to start downloading to our Android TV. So here's it. The application is now downloading, and once it's done downloading, we're going to install to Android TV. Now I already have the application on my Android TV, so that's why it's asking me to update. But on your case, it's going to ask you to install, which you just go ahead, click install. Now the application is installed. Don't open it straight away. Come back here, delete the app file on my Android TV, and then you are good to go. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this. If you come back home, you're going to see the application installed.